So today I am making this quick video without any preparation to connect with you all, because many of you may not be knowing me personally or Sampurna how it started. Some of you are already knowing that what I was doing, what is my background, and how Sampurna started, because it is important to know this story behind Sampurna in order to establish the trust between the brand and you, the customers of Sampurna. So basically, myself Savita Rote. I come from Kolhapur district of Maharashtra, and by education I am an electronics engineer. So I came to Pune looking for a job, and I got a job. Then I got married and settled here in Pune, and I worked for MNCs for 10 years till 2016. So I was doing this kind of IT kind of job and was okay with that, but somewhere there was some inner calling like thing, and I had started gathering a lot of interest in organic products and chemical farming, traditional farming, organic farming, and why all over we see so many health issues. I was deeply thinking about all these things, and during my job I clearly remember that I was seeing almost 80% people around me in working with me had some kind of health issues, and I used to wonder why so many health issues nowadays. What happened exactly in last 30-40 years that my dadi and grandma and nani, they are so fit, and my mom is little bit weaker than them, and I am like my generation is furthermore weak, and what health is not good. So there was some inner calling, and I left my job in 2016. I did not know what I am going to do, but I knew that I am not born to do job in MNC for lifelong. So I did not have any plans, but this thing was there that I was deeply interested in all these things. So after leaving my job, I got connected to a community. So we know, right, there are communities like Art of Living, like spiritual communities are there. Some kind of they have some kind of thought process, and they all follow the same thought process. So there was a community called Sustainable Living. Okay, so community means nothing but we had WhatsApp groups, and we used to run those groups. Like we were like few of us were admins, and we used to post messages, motivate people, organize workshops related to organic gardening, Ayurveda, all these alternate therapies except allopathy, like alternative treatments, you know, right? Homeopathy, Ayurveda, acupressure. We used to promote these things, natural way of living, healthy baking. There was also a workshop on beekeeping, honey beekeeping, and there were like many things we used to work upon and motivate people to join our group. We almost had 2000 people, and after I joined the group, I also connected many people to the group, and we used to like keep the group vibrant and keep the people motivated towards natural lifestyle, ask them to share what they do, what kind of practices they follow in their real life, everyday life, in order to keep the planet green. And like we were seeing many people are thinking like us, and there is a huge tribe of people like us. So in this process I got connected to many like-minded people like you all, and also farmers who are doing organic farming. Some are so passionate like me, they have left their IT jobs and they are doing farming. such people really exist. I mean, we see stories on news that such and such people, they left IT and doing farming. They are not just stories, there are such people. Even you can see Sanjot Organic brand in Sampurna. That person is one among that tribe who has left IT and doing farming. So such passionate people were connecting with us. In this process, I so got connected to such people, and that's the answer to the question that many of you have, that from where you are bringing all these products and how do you know they are doing authentically organic. So many of them I know personally, and some of them they are certified organic brands in the market. So I keep at Sampurna we keep variety of brands, and some are even not branded, but I know those farmers personally. So I know from where they come and how authentic they are. So that's the thing. So why we are keeping then non-certified products also? Because sometimes, many times, non-certified products are good, equally good, and they are little more economical than the certified ones. That's the reason I am keeping them, and I know those farmers personally. That is also the thing. I was telling the story how Sampurna started. So sustainable living, I was working with that group, and I was really enjoying doing activities, doing programs, connecting with people, talking to people. I have spent lot of time in talking to such organic farmers and people who are genuinely interested in doing something in this field. So this journey continued till last year, till 2019. This journey continued, and during this time only I started selling these products from such authentic farmers and product makers. We call them ecopreneurs, who are the entrepreneurs for environment, who are making eco-friendly products. We call them ecopreneurs. So I started keeping these products from authentic farmers and ecopreneurs at my home. And some of you who know me since a while, since last 2, 3, 4 years, some of you had started coming to my home and buying these products. So that trust was established. And logically speaking, practically speaking, as compared to the income in IT, the income in this profession was nothing negligible. So many of them, like my old connections, they were convinced and they trusted me. And then a point came when I thought that why not then go to a commercial place and make it available to a larger group of people. That's where I started this shop in 2019, start of 2019, January. So that was the story behind Sampurna. And after that, in a short while, I conceived a baby during March, and then I went to a spiritual trip and things like that kept happening, and I was not attending the shop personally. So many of you could not even see me at the shop. So I could not meet people and tell my story, or even connect with them genuinely. So I thought today that I should connect. So I went through that pregnancy and delivery cycle. Now my baby is small. Because of COVID and lockdown things, I am not even stepping out of the door. Slowly I have started now, but even at home there is no one else to take care of the baby. So I am still sticking to being at home. So I thought, let me talk to you and let me convey the story behind Sampurna. So anytime if you want to connect to me, ask me anything, do let me know by WhatsApp. Many times I don't answer calls because really it's a crunch of time for me. Sorry for that. But do leave me a WhatsApp message, whatever your questions. I will certainly answer them. And Kajal is doing her best. I am so lucky that I got her. She is doing everything for the shop, and she is so deeply connected to me that I can't say it in words. So do contact her for any of the queries. Do contact me on WhatsApp. We will talk also if it's really necessary. And please keep connected with us. Thank you.